Hey loves, it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing my April box from Daily Look. I'm going to be doing a try on and showing you guys everything that I got in my box. So if you're not familiar with Daily Look, I have done numerous videos, so I will link those videos down below. That gives you a little bit more kind of like idea of like what you can expect in these boxes. But basically it's a subscription service where you get styled by a personal stylist. You take a survey, you fill out all of the stuff that you like, what you don't like, what colors you like, and then they send you out a box full of things that they have chosen personally for you. And then you get to try on the items. Whatever you like, you get to keep, and then obviously you pay for. And then whatever you don't like, you send back. And they do give you like a little discount if you buy more than, I think it's like 3, you get 50% off. So there is kind of like an incentive to buy more. If you don't like anything, then you just send the whole entire box back and then you wait for the next time. So it is a monthly subscription service. I have been getting them now for, gosh, it's probably been, it was definitely last year. So I think maybe 6 months, maybe a little bit longer, and I've been really happy with the boxes. There's always at least 1 or 2 items that I'm just like obsessed with. This time around I kept jeans. This box was all about the jeans. The jeans were so good. So I kept two pairs of jeans for this specific box, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that came in my box. I'm gonna try it all on, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I end up like kind of in my maybes, and then of course I've just told you I kept the jeans. I will leave the link to Daily Look below in my description box so that you guys can go and check it out if you haven't already. It's just a really fun way to try things that you wouldn't normally try and have like a professional style you. This is a luxury box, so this is not like a super duper affordable box. It's definitely like higher quality pieces, some name brands, and it's like, you know, it's luxury. So if you're willing to spend a little bit more on your clothes, this is the box for you. Let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram. Okay, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay guys, so this is the first piece. This is perfect. I love it. I love the little sleeves, how it's kind of ruffly. I like this little neckline. I think that's really cute. And it just comes down kind of low and flowy. It's really lightweight, so it's going to be great for spring and summer when the weather is a little warmer. It's just like really pretty. And then I love this like soft, very light pink. And then the second piece are these jeans, which, oh my goodness, they fit me so well. They are the perfect fit. Like, they're so comfortable. They're super stretchy. They just feel like I'm wearing yoga pants. These are by onedenim.com. Can you see that? No, it's not going to focus, is it? Onedenim.com. And they are a size slim 30. I cannot read that backwards. What does that say? Slim 30? I think it's a slim skinny 30. I just love these, you guys. They're a little long, so I rolled them up to be cuffed, but like they just fit so snug, and I like where they hit me right here. I just think they're so cute. And then that's what they look like from behind, so they like really lift up the booty. I mean, like, look how cute those are. So this whole outfit is a winner. I love it. Like, look how pretty the back is as well. Next is this little, it's kind of like a jacket and a cardigan mixed together. It's got these little tiny like fake pockets on the side. You can't actually put your hands in them. It has like a very kind of like Chanel jacket feel, if you guys know what I mean, with the shape. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of this little section right here because I feel like it's just like touching and then it's open, so that is a little bit annoying. Also, the material is itchy. So this is going to be a no for me, but I do like the idea of it. I think it looks really cute if it just wasn't for this neck, just because it doesn't sit right on me. Like, I just don't like the way that looks, and I don't like it irritating my neck. Okay, so next is this long cardigan, and I'm actually surprised because I don't really like stripes very much. They're really not my cup of tea, but I think that this one is actually quite flattering. I don't know what it is. It's something about the shape and then the little hood. The way it lays, it does actually make you look like very slim, which normally stripes make me look like really big. So I really like this. I think it's cute. I love the length of it. I love the fact that it does have that little hood on the back, and it's really soft material. It's super cute. And then these pants are by J Brand. So these actually do fit me really well. They are a little high-waisted. And the thing that I've noticed about jeans when they're high-waisted is that they end up, because I have such big hips and then such a small waist, in order for me to like you know, button it up where my waist is, they pull up so high here, and sometimes it can make it look like there's a bit of a CT action going on, when realistically there isn't. It just, because they come up so high when you have like such a shape like this, it's very difficult for it not to look that way. I think they're really comfortable, and I don't know about the wash. I think the wash might be making me look like a little heavier than I am. In this section, it just, I don't know if I like the way that looks. I think if I had something that was like coming down, then it might be better, but I just think the wash isn't very flattering. It doesn't really slim my legs because it's so light. Yeah, I don't know about these. They do feel really comfortable though. I'll take the little jacket off and then I'll show you what they look like. So here's what they look like without the jacket on. You can see like they fit nicely. So don't mind my massive underwear line. I have like boy shorts on right now. But they do lift the booty nicely. I mean, they're not bad from behind. I just don't know. I'll have to think about these ones. And next is this cardigan. It's kind of like an oatmeal color with like little flecks of brown and black and camel color. I don't know if I love this. The material isn't the most silky. It's just a scotch itchy. And also, I don't know if the shape is very good on me. Like there's no kind of like definition here. So it just kind of makes me look a little heavier. Whereas like the gray striped one, like it made me look kind of slim. I feel like this is just like adding bulk. So this one is a no-go for me. I just am not a huge fan of the way it looks and the way it feels. It is a nice sweater. It's just, I'm so sensitive to material, and if it's not like super silky, I just know I won't wear it. So this one is a no-go. Okay, so next is this sweater. Now this is actually really cute. I love the knit because it's kind of like chunkier, which I love. I also love the detailing around the wrist and around the neckline. I think the neckline is nice. I actually really like the shape of it. I like everything about it. I mean, you could tuck it in if you wanted to, which I think would also be very cute. It is a little bit itchy, which I sound so annoying. I sound like a broken record, but I just have sensitive skin. And so I feel like it's something that if I sweat at all in, or like got a little hot and bothered, like it's really, really warm, I'm already getting really hot. And it's like making my skin feel like it's itchy on it. So unfortunately, this one is probably gonna be a no-go just because of the material, but I do actually think it's really cute. I think this would be an adorable little sweater. My skin is just a little bit too itchy. But I also love that it has that little detailing on the bottom as well. And then these jeans, I actually really like. These are by Hudson. I really like the distressed knee as well as the ankle. I think that's really cute how it like comes down a little longer in the back, but then it's like cut short in the front. So I think that would be really cute with some little flip-flops. And then I like the color, how it's like darker here and then a little bit lighter here. So it kind of just gives you a little bit more shape. It's a little bit more flattering. So I really, really like these. These fit really great. And then that is what they look like from behind. So again, they lift really nicely. I like how they're like kind of lighter on the butt, but then darker down the leg. So these ones are also gonna be in my maybe pile. Okay, next is this sweater. And I actually really like this sweater. I think it's really cute. It's like a really nice high turtleneck. It feels quite expensive. I'm not really sure like what the material is, but it does feel like cashmere. Like it feels like a really nice quality knit piece. The knit is really fine on it. As you can see, it's like really, really little. And then it has this like really nice detailing down the front. I really like it. I'm assuming it's quite expensive, which means if I get makeup on this section, which is guaranteed I will be devastated if I can't get it off if it's super expensive. So I'm gonna have to say no to this one just because I wear makeup. If I didn't wear makeup, I would probably keep this just because I love it so much. I think it's such a beautiful sweater, but I do wear makeup, and the reality is I will absolutely get makeup along this line, and then I'll be devastated when it's ruined. So I'm gonna say no to this one, but it is such a lovely piece. If you are someone who doesn't wear makeup, then this is just, oh, it's just so cute. It's really just such a lovely color, so creamy, very smooth and silky. I love this one. Okay, next we have these trousers. They're kind of like a striped, kind of dark, I don't know if they're gray or dark blue, I can't really tell. These are too big for me though, as you can see. They're like way too big. So I'm just gonna absolutely say no to these. They're actually really cute though. I was surprised. I thought they were not gonna be very cute, but they're actually cuter than I thought. It's just that they don't fit me at all. I have so much like extra space that it's just, no, that's not gonna work for me. Okay, next piece is this dress. Now, I actually really love this dress. It's super cute. I like the little design. I think this part is really pretty. It's very flattering. I just have a bra underneath. It comes down at the waist, which is really nice, and then, you know, ties in right underneath your bust. But the problem is, it's like seriously so long for me. Like, here's my feet. So this is just way too long. I would have to get it hemmed, but it's not something that I'm like in love with, so I feel like it's not really worth getting hemmed just because I'm not like obsessed with it. I think it's pretty, I think it looks nice, but I think it's just not something that I'm willing to go and like hem and wait for and all that kind of stuff. Not like it's that big of a deal, but you guys know what I mean. So this one's gonna be a no, simply because it's too long. I would keep it if it already like fit properly. I have one more item, which is a denim jacket, which I'll put over, and then I will be finished. So here's the jacket. This is by J brand. It's actually really cute. Like, it's a really nice fit. However, it's like way too small for me. Like, I can really hardly even move, which is why it looks so nice when I'm just standing here. But if I went to hug someone, that's as far as I can go. It's like a robot. So unfortunately, this is going to be a no-go, but it is a very cute denim jacket. It's just not very comfortable because I seriously cannot move at all. So my no pile consists of the gray sweater, the little cardigan, the long oatmeal sweater, the light wash jeans, the denim jacket, the dress, and the cream turtleneck, and then the trousers. My maybe pile is the little pink shirt, which I loved. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, maybe the little striped sweater. What were these? The one denim jeans, and then the, what were these ones? Or no, I'm sorry. One was Hudson, wasn't it? I don't even remember now. I think these were Hudson, and these were one denim. So these are my maybes. So now I need to figure out the prices of these 4 items to see which ones I'm gonna keep. Okay, so the pink shirt is $99. The little striped cardigan is $78. The jeans are $198, and then the other ones are $128. I think I'm gonna say no to the cardigan just because I know that normally I don't wear stripes. So I should probably just put that back because I probably won't reach for it very often. So I think now it's gonna be down to the 2 jeans and the pink shirt. You'll have to check my Instagram stories to see which ones I end up keeping because I'm not really sure which ones I will keep. But it's down to those 3. So the 2 jeans and the pink shirt. Okay guys, so there is my daily look try on. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah.